When an administrator or an instructor logs into their ATS Online admin page, they will see the admin control panel. A convenient feature of the learning management system is the administrator's ability to move directly into their learner account at the click of a button, where previously you had to log in on a separate screen. This button is located within the My Profile section on the home page, as well as in the drop-down settings menu here on the upper right-hand corner of your screen. On the learner side, instructors can take interactive courses for their own personal development or access paid content in the form of instructor-related tools that can be delivered for traditional face-to-face training in the classroom. From here, instructors can navigate to desired content within the My Courses tile. First, they'll locate the folder where the content resides. Next, they can select the ATS series they want to use. Then they can choose whether they want to launch interactive courses for independent learning or access paid instructor tools referred to as IVP, or the Instructor Video Package. IVP includes access to stream ATS videos directly into the classroom, similar to a DVD, download and customize PowerPoint files, and where applicable, print chapters from ATS Facilitator Guides. Let's start by unpacking the streaming video access first. Unlike the 1-hour self-paced interactive version of ATS courses for learners, instructors can use the streaming videos much like a DVD, where they can skip to their desired video chapter, take a minute or two to highlight a skill, and move on, or play the full-length video, which averages anywhere from 15 to 25 minutes in length. To launch your desired content, open up the Videos folder by selecting Start, and then as seen here, you can elect to play specific training objectives or the full-length version of your desired video. The streaming videos also come with closed captioning for ADA compliance, or for playing videos in silent mode. Next, we're going to take a look at a tool instructors can offer to their students after they've finished an ATS streaming video in a classroom setting. A bonus to instructors is their ability to offer the end-of-course exams as a standalone feature to their students at no additional cost. The exams are intended to be used in a flipped classroom setting or post-lecture. For the flipped classroom, an instructor might offer the end-of-course exam as a challenge test to perhaps officer-level staff to allow them to prove they're proficient in certain areas. If they pass, you might allow them to move on to their next assignment without taking the full-length 1-hour interactive course. A more common use case is offering the exams in a post-lecture setting for learners to go online to take the final exam after you've delivered your in-person lecture with the use of ATS streaming videos in the classroom. This method can be used to confirm they understood the material presented. To review exams prior to assignment, click Exams, then select Open or Resume, and then launch the desired exam to begin. Upon completion, results for your exam are then reported to the learning management system under the administrative side of the program. Next, we're going to go back and take a look at how to access, download, and customize ATS PowerPoint files. ATS PowerPoint files are derived directly from the corresponding ATS video titles and are intended to be used in conjunction with the video, not as a standalone. To access and download PowerPoint files, start by clicking here to open the folder and locate your desired PowerPoint. After you've located your desired PowerPoint, click next to the title and then select Download File. Here you can click in to customize a PowerPoint file or add notes and save it for future use. Afterward, return to the system and exit out of the Downloads page for additional PowerPoint options. Last but not least, now introducing a new instructor tool from Action Training Systems that will be offered with each new video series we produce and any existing video series we update, the ATS Facilitator Guides. ATS Facilitator Guides are complete with course information, such as NFPA references, reference textbook and correlation guides, suggested slides, time to allot for each exercise, along with skills to practice, sample quizzes, and attendance rosters for each course within an applicable series. Please note, there are a select few ATS training series where the PowerPoint file is only available with the purchase of the ATS Facilitator Guides, which are sold separately with different online models. As you can see, with each tool we've presented today, you can still use ATS Online in the classroom the way you always have, but at a fraction of the cost for the hard copy material. If you have interest in using any of these additional instructor-related tools as add-ons or as a standalone, please reach out to your ATS rep for pricing and availability. This concludes our walkthrough of the instructor tools referred to as IVP, or the Instructor Video Package for ATS Online.